In this video, we will discuss a review of the Clue app period tracker. So you can find it by going over to your Google Play and searching for Clue Cycle and Period Tracker. It's also available on the iOS, just search in your that. Now for the pros, this Clue Cycle Period Tracker has extensive tracking that can track your period, ovulation, mood swings, energy levels, weight, and more. It also has some educational resources that provides article information on contraception, fertility, and sexuality. So it also have a user-friendly interface with clean, intuitive design as you can see right here. So it also generates graphs and charts that can help you or aid you to navigate your calendar cycle altogether. So in here, however, the cons is frequent paid promotion or ads. Users report being constantly bombarded with ads for the paid Q Plus, and also many useful features like adding notes, customized symptoms, and specialized tracking moods are under a paid subscription. It also had a tedious data entry for the process of adding daily information may be time consuming. It also have no in-app data deletion, and you must contact the support team by email instead of having simple option within the app itself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.